Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuhu. Hello guys. Wa amma ittihamu rawi. And the next one is ittihamu rawi bil kazib. We were discussing about five types of blame that defect a reporter, and because of those five blames, a hadith of those reporters may be mawzu, matruk, ghair maqbul. So now we are going to discuss on second type of blame in reporters. Okay, means such blames should not be in any reporter. Wa amma ittiham rawi. And the next blame is a reporter should be defected of blame of lying. Means a reporter is liar. Is not liar but a defect of lie. Okay. فبأن يكون مشهورا بالكذب ومعروفا به في كلام الناس ولم يثبت كذبه في الحديث النبوي. Means he a reporter is famous and known in public that he speaks lie. Means when he speaks in public he lies, but there is not any proof, and no it is proven that he has made any words, he has fixed any word into hadith. Okay, means he has not he does not lie into hadith, but he lies with people. وفي حكمه رواية ما يخالف قواعد معلومة ضرورية في الشرع. Okay, and its hukm is there is a report that is against the well-known rules. Means if anybody does not lie into hadith, so we should accept it. But in this matter, if anybody makes a lie, if anybody lies in hadith, and if anybody lies in public speaking but not in hadith, so we should accept it. But here is a rule, is a reporting that is against the famous rule. Okay, kada qila, and that is said. Means if anybody अले समझता है ना. वैसम्मा हादल किस्म मतरूकन. Means if any reporter is defected of lying, means he is not liar in hadith but liar in public speaking. So if hadith of reporter liar in public speak is called matrukul hadith. Okay, kama yuqalu hadithuhu matrukun wa fulanun matrukul hadithi wa hadha rajulu in taba wa sahhat tawbatuhu wa dhaharat amaratu sidqi minhu jaza sima'ul hadithi. If this person, means whose hadith is matruk, if he made tawbah and his tawbah was good, means after tawbah he did not lie any time, and his truth appear in public, means public knew his truth, that time jaza simaul hadisi walladhi yaqum. So that time after his tawbah, if he mind his tawbah and he does not lie in public, then we will accept his hadith and we will report from this person. والذي يقع منه الكذب أحيانا نادرا في كلامه غير الحديث فذلك غير مؤثر في تسمية حديثه بالموضوع أو المتروك. And if anybody sometimes rarely speaks lie, and that is only in his public speaking, not in hadith words. Okay, means sometimes he lie with public but not in hadith. So then report saying his reporting and his speech, his hadith, mawlu and matruk, so this will not be useful. Means अगर किसी ने ज़िंदगी में कभी कभी झूठ बोला और वो सिर्फ पब्लिक से बात करने के टाइम में ही झूठ बोलता है, तो वो उसकी इस बात को लेकर ये कहना कि ये शख्स यानी कि मिस जैद एक शख्स है, वो कभी कभी बकर से जब बात करता है किसी बिज़नेस के मामले में, कभी किसी कंस्ट्रक्शन के मामले में, कभी वो हुकूमत सियासत के मामले में, तो झूठ बोलता है। मगर हदीस के मामले में कभी भी नेवर ही हैज़ लाइड, चले ये कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोलता है हदीस के मामले में। तो ऐसे शख्स जैद की इस हदीस को मौजू कहना और मतरूक कहना बेनिफिट नहीं होगा, यानी मीनिंगलेस होगा। समझता है ना? समझता है? When कांत मासदन whether speaking lie, whether lying is sin, but in this situation lying will not be beneficial. Means saying his hadith mawdu and matruk will not be useful. Wammal fisqu, and the third one is fasiq, means there should not be blame defect of fisq into reporter. Wammal fisqu fal muradu bihi al fisqu fil amali dun al i'tiqadi فإن ذلك داخل في البدعة. So the meaning of fisk is fisk in amal, not in belief, because fisk in belief is entered into bid'at. So we will discuss on bidat in other way, in other place, but we are going to discuss on fisk in amal. Okay, if our amal is our deeds, actions, and behavior is against the Islamic law. Okay, so that is called fisk. وأكثر ما يستعمل بدعة في الاعتقاد. Okay, and bid'at is mostly used for belief, for belief matter. Means when anybody's belief is wrong, that time we will say bid'at. But if anybody's action is wrong, that means if anybody's actions is not according to Islamic law, that is fisk, not bid'at. Okay, so defect, wrong, to be wrong in amal, in action, will be called fasiq, fisk, and to be wrong in belief will be called bidat. Okay, समझता है ना? बिदत क्या है? अगर हमारा अक़ीदा में कुछ ख़राबी है, if there was wrong in our belief system, so that is called bidat. If there was any wrong in our action, so that is called fisk. Okay. والكذب وإن كان داخلا في الفسق لكنهم عدوه أصلا على حدة لكون تعني به أشد وأغلظ. Okay. Kadhib, whether is enter into fisk. We have discussed kadhib rawi, ittihamu rawi bil kadhib, and fisk and bidat. Okay, and jahalat. So here Musannif writer is saying, Abdullah Muhaddis Dahlawi rahmatullah is saying that whether kadhib is also entered into fisk, but kadhib is discussed separately. Now we are going to discuss on fisk in amal, except kadhib. Okay, except lying. Okay, because lying and fisk in amal both are same, but kadhib is stronger in stronger matter in the views of muhaddisin. Because of it there is many fightings, word fighting into muhaddisin. Because of that kadhib there are strongly defection, blame into reporters. समझता है ना। यानी झूठ बोलने की वजह से एक रावी में बहुत ही ज़्यादा खराबियां पैदा हो जाती हैं और इसी की बिना पर झूठ बोलने की वजह से ही ज़्यादा बहसें मुबाहसा छिड़ जाती हैं मुहद्दिसीन के दरमियान कि उसकी हदीस कबूल करनी चाहिए या नहीं। समझता है। तो ये झूठ बोलना, कज़िब और फ़िस्क़ुन फ़िल अमल बोथ आर सेम, बट कज़िब दोनों में से दोनों वर्ड को क्या किया है, हम एक ही कज़िब को एक सेपरेट सेक्शन बनाया है और फ़िस्क़ुल अमल को एक अनदर सेक्शन बनाया है। ओके। वम्मा जहालतुर रावी, and the fourth matter is jahalatul rawi. Jahalatul rawi means rawi is ignorant not. Jahalatul rawi means the reporter of hadith is a person whom we don't know. Okay. Jahalatul rawi means reporter of hadith is a person about whom we don't know, means what is his name, what is his name, and who is he, from where he has come here, and how his life passed. We don't know, so that is called jahalatul rawi, means unknown reporter. Okay. वम्मा जहालतु रावी फ़इन्नहु अयज़न सबबुन लित्तानी फ़िल हदीसी। ओके, बिकॉज इट इज़ आल्सो ए रीज़न टू बी ब्लेम इनटू हदीस। ओके, लिअन्नहु लम्मा लम युरफ़ इस्मुहु व ज़ातुहु लम युरफ़ हालुहु। Because when we did not know his name, his personality, we could not know his condition, means whether he is सिक़त और गैर सिक़त। लिअन्नहु लम्मा लम युरफ़ इस्मुहु व ज़ातुहु लम युरफ़ हालुहु व अन्नहु सिक़तुन औ गैर सिक़तिन। We could not, if we don't know about a person, what is his name, what is his condition, so we don't know, we can't know about his personality, whether he is सिक़त और गैर सिक़त, we don't know। कमा यक़ूलु हद्दसनी रजुलन औ अख़बरनी शैख़ुन वहादा युसम्मा मुबहमन, and this is called mubham, means if we don't know about any reporter, so that time we will report अख़बरनी रजुलन, अख़बरनी शैख़ुन, अख़बरनी फुलानुन। So who is this rajul, who is this fulan, who is this sheikh? Means we are reading only sheikh, means sheikh means who, which sheikh, means means Zaid may have 200, 300, 400 and 4000 sheikh. So among those 400 sheikh, who is that sheikh? Okay, so in this matter sheikh is mubham, unknown. Okay, when the reporter is unknown, that time this hadith will be called mubham. Okay, hada yusamma mubhaman wa hadithul mubhami ghair maqbul. Okay, hadithul mubhami ghair maqbul। ये समझता है ना। हर वर्ड को मीनिंग बोलना ज़रूरी है। मुझे लगता है हर वर्ड को मीनिंग बोलने की हाजत नहीं है, इसलिए मैं हर वर्ड का मीनिंग नहीं बोलूँगा। अगर कोई डाउट है तो ज़रूर पूछना। ओके, आई विल नॉट सो एवरी वर्ड्स मीनिंग, आई विल नॉट से एवरी वर्ड्स मीनिंग। ओके, इफ़ यू हैव डाउट यू मे आस्क। व हदीसुल मुबहमी गैर मकबूल। ओके, इल्ला अन यकून सहाबियन लिअन्नहुम अदूल। ओके, हदीस मकबूल क्या है, मुबहम रावी की हदीस मकबूल नहीं है, एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है, मरदूद है। अगर मुबहम पर्सन सहाबी है, मीन्स हदीस मुरसल में सहाबी को हम क्या किया है, सनद से डिसअपीयर कर दिया है, इरेज किया है। सो वहाँ पर हम क्या किया है, सहाबी को नाम को मिस किया और डिसअपर किया और क्या बताया, हदसनी अदलुन, हदसनी सहाबीयुन, ऐसे बताया तो क्या होगा, उस टाइम एक्सेप्ट किया जाएगा। क्यों, सहाबी जो है अदूल है। देर एवरी ऑफ सहाबी is every of sahabis is sorry are adul, not adul means siqat. All are siqat, not zaif. Okay. وإن جاء المبهم بلفظ التعديل كما يقول أخبرني عدل أو حدثني ثقة ففيه اختلاف والأصح أنه لا يقبل. ألي. If any mubham reporter reports hadith with the word of adl means akhbarani adlun or haddathani thiqatun. So this adl and thiqat is a word that refers to ta'dil reporter. Ta'dil matlab ta'dil means the reporter is thiqat, not zaif. Okay, so if any mubham reporter is reported hadith with the word of ta'dil means adl or thiqat, not with zaif, so that time there are many ikhtilaf, diversity among muhaddisin, and the best one is والأصح, but when the best one is أنه لا يقبل, even then this hadith will not be acceptable لأنه يجوز أن يكون عادلا في اعتقاده لا في نفس الأمر, because it is possible that the reported one may be adil in the eyes of reporter but not in reality. Means मैं कहता हूँ कि हदसनी आदलुन means अदल मीन्स एक पर्सन जैद, सपोज जैद, माई सड हदसनी आदलुन, तो ये जो आदल है ना वो आदल आदमी मे बी आदिल in my view but in the reality means not among other muhaddisin. समझता है ना. वैन क़ाला ज़ालिका इमामुन हाज़िक़ुन क़ुबिला, and if any expert master of hadith says हदसनी आदलुन, whether that hadith is mubham will be acceptable. Okay, मसला. If any expert master of hadith, okay, if any expert master of hadith says that haddasani adlun, so that time hadithul mubhami will be acceptable. And the fifth one means the last type of blame that defect reporter. वअम्मल बिदअतु फलमुराद बिही इतिक़ादु आमरिन मुहदसिन अला खिलाफि मा उरिफ़ा फ़िद्दीनी व मा जाअ मिन रसूलिल्लाहि सल्लल्लाहु तआला अलैहि वसल्लम व अस्हाबिही बिनअइ शुबहतिन व तअवीलिन ला बितरीक़ि जुहूदिन व इनकारिन लिया फ़इन्न ज़ालिका कुफ़्रुन. बिदअत मीन्स having belief against the Islamic law or against whatever we have got from Prophet and ashab, companions of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, because through some doubts or because of interpretation, not in the way of rejection and not in the way of refutation. Okay, because rejecting and refusing Islamic law and Islamic Shariat religion is कुफ्र. समझता है. मीन्स एक मैटर, सपोज नमाज पढ़ना, नमाज निष्कारम, ये क्या है, एक मैटर है जो हमारे इस्लामिक लॉ के अंडर में है. तो अगर हम इसको एक पर्सन क्या किया, उसका बिलीफ है नमाज नहीं पढ़ना, तो ये अगर ऐसा बिलीफ करता है नमाज पढ़ना फ़र्ज़ नहीं है, वाजिब नहीं है, तो ये क्या होगा, ये उसका बिलीफ अगेंस्ट द इस्लामिक लॉ है. सो देयरफॉर ही विल बी नॉट मुस्लिम. ओके, अगर समझा, अगर उसके इंटरप्रिटेशन तशरीह में प्रॉब्लम है, उसको वर्ड के किसी इस्लामिक वर्ड को इंटरप्रेशन और तशरीह तावील में प्रॉब्लम है, शुबहा है, डॉट है, सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट डॉट ही विल बी कॉल्ड बिदअत मुबतदी', Okay, if he has not doubt but he is belief against the Islamic law, that time he will be non-Muslim, kafir. Okay. وأما البدعة فالمراد به اعتقاد أمر اوكي اعتقاد امر محدث على خلاف ما عرف في الدين وما جاء من رسول الله صلى الله تعالى عليه وسلم بنوع شبهة وتعبير لا بطريق جحود وإنكار فإن ذلك كفر وحديث المبتدئ مردود عند الجمهور اوكي وعند البعض إن كان متصفا بصدق اللهجة وصيانة اللسان قبلا. And some modern says if he was true in tone and his tongue was safe from mistakes, so that time his hadith will be acceptable whether he is mubtadi'. وقال بعضهم إن كان منكر الأمر متواتر في الشرع وقد علم بالضرورة كونه من الدين فهو مردود وإن لم يكن بهذه الصفة يقبل. And some Muhaddithin says if he was rejecting any matter that was compulsory, that is compulsory part of our religion, and he is refusing it, he is not believing that but he is believing against it, that time hadith of that person will be mardud and that will not be acceptable. And if his rejection was not like that, means was because of some doubts and some interpretation, because of some clarification, justification, so that time his hadith will be acceptable because he is not rejecting but he is making mistakes in justification. وإن لم يكن بهذه الصفة يقبل. If his rejection was not in this objectives, that time his hadith will be acceptable. وإن كفره المخالفون مع وجود ضبط وورع والتقوى واحتياط وصيانة. Okay, whether other group of Muslim says the reporter is kafir, okay, because of his belief against Islam, but he has great memory power, muttaqi, and caretaker in hadith matter, and protector of words of hadith, so that time his hadith will be acceptable whether other group of Muslims says that the reporter is kafir. Okay. Wal mukhtaru, and the chosen mazhab is annahu in kana da'iyan ila bid'atihi wa murawwijan lahu rudda. If hadith of any if hadith of any mubtadi calls us to his bid'at and its increase and generalize, popularize his bidat, so it will be not acceptable, it will be rejected. وَإِلَّمْ يَكُنْ كَذَلِكَ قُبِلَ, and if was against his bidat, so that time acceptable. إلا أن يروي شيئا يقوي به بدعته فهو مردود. But if he reports any hadith that makes his bidat stronger, that time his hadith will be mardud, will not be acceptable. فهو مردود قطعا, that is absolutely mardud. Okay, समझता है ना. وبالجملة الأئمة مختلفون في أخذ الحديث من أهل البدعة. Okay, and in short, muhaddisin are diverse to accept hadith from bid'at wal ahwa'i wa arbabil mazahib zayga, and muhaddisin are diverse to accept hadith from bid'at, ashabul bid'at wal ahwa wa arbabil mazahib zayga. Zayga means kaziba. Okay, means not real mazhab but false mazhab, wrong mazhab. Okay, so muhaddisin are taking care to not accept hadith from the group of wrong peoples. وقال صاحب جامع الأصول, and Sahib Jami Usul said, أخذ جماعة من أئمة الحديث من فرقة الخوارج والمنتسبين إلى القدر. المنتسبين إلى القدر means القدرية. Qadriya means there is a group of Muslim who were saying whatever we are doing that is written into our destiny, and we sorry okay, but we are compelled to do that. Whatever is happening in our life, that is because of our qadr. If we are making sin, so that is because of our qadr. If we are going to do good, so that is because of our qadr. So that is but reality is means they are saying a person has no power to do for himself, to do from himself some. Okay, means but Ahl Sunnah is saying there is qadar, and also we have power to do from ourselves. Okay, means if we are doing sin, so that is because of us, and if we are doing good, so that is because of our power, because of our deed. Okay, means nobody compelled us to do that. We have two paths, whether either we could do good or wrong. So we have selected the wrong path, or we have selected the good path. So that is not because of qadar. If it was if there was written in qadar, then we will do wrong. This is not appropriate. Okay, this is short about Qadariya. Okay, you may read many more about Qadariya. तो أخذ جماعة من أئمة الحديث من فرقة الخوارج والمنتسبين إلى القدر والتشيع والرفض وسائر أصحاب البدع والأهواء. Okay, Jamil Rasul has said most of Muhaddisin has taken hadith from Khawarij, Qadariyat, Shia, Rafil, and other Ashabul Bid'ah wal Ahwa. وقد احتاط جماعة آخرون وتورعوا من أخذ حديث من هذه الفرق. وَلِكُلٍّ مِّنْهُمْ نِيَّاتٌ. And other many muhaddisin has taken care to not accept hadith from those group of people, group of reporters, because of their wara. Okay, they have not taken hadith from those group because of wara, means taqwa. And all of them means all muhaddisin has their own intentions. Intaha, the matter finished here. ولا شك إن أخذ الحديث من هذه الفرق يكون بعد التحري والاستصواب ومع ذلك الاحتياط في عدم الأخذ. Okay, and there is no doubt accepting hadith from these groups of reporters will be after tahari wal istiswab. Tahari means after thinking more and searching more. After great research, we could accept hadith from those group of people. And but care is not taking hadith from these groups, means better is to not accept hadith from those people. لأنه قد ثبت أن هؤلاء الفرق كانوا يضعون الأحاديث لترويج مذاهبهم وكانوا يقرون به بعد التوبة والرجوع. Allahu alam. Because it was proven that those group of people were creating hadith by himself to popularize their mazhab, and they were confessing that we were making hadith for popularizing of our mazhab. They were accepting it, confessing it after Tawbah and coming back to the origin. Wallahu alam.